Get inspired with these easy Mediterranean patio design ideas. Creating a Mediterranean-inspired patio is a wonderful way to transform your outdoor space into a relaxing oasis. With its warm and inviting ambience, the Mediterranean style combines elements of nature, simplicity, and elegance. In this article, we will explore some easy Mediterranean patio design ideas that will inspire you to create your own little piece of paradise. Embrace natural materials. One of the key features of Mediterranean design is its use of natural materials. Incorporate elements such as stone, terracotta, and wood into your patio design. Consider using a stone patio floor, terracotta pots for plants, and wooden furniture to create an authentic Mediterranean feel. Choose vibrant colors. Mediterranean style is known for its bold and vibrant color palette. Opt for shades of blues, yellows, and terracotta to add a pop of color to your patio. Use colorful cushions, rugs, and accessories to create a lively and inviting atmosphere. Add Mediterranean plants. No Mediterranean patio is complete without lush greenery and beautiful blooms. Select plants that thrive in the Mediterranean climate, such as olive trees, lavender, bougainvillea, and rosemary. These plants not only add beauty but also infuse your patio with their delightful scents. Incorporate water features. Water features like fountains or small ponds are a hallmark of Mediterranean design. Consider adding a cascading water fountain or a small pond with colorful fish to create a soothing and tranquil ambience in your patio. The sound of flowing water will enhance the overall serenity of the space. Create cozy seating areas. A Mediterranean patio is all about creating comfortable and cozy seating areas. Arrange your furniture in small clusters to encourage intimate conversations. Use plush cushions and throw pillows in vibrant colors to make your seating area inviting and relaxing. With these easy Mediterranean patio design ideas, you can create a beautiful outdoor space that transports you to the sun-soaked shores of the Mediterranean. Embrace natural materials, vibrant colors, and Mediterranean plants to infuse your patio with the warmth and charm of this timeless style. Incorporate water features and create cozy seating areas to enhance the overall ambience. So go ahead, get inspired, and transform your patio into your own Mediterranean paradise. Creating a Mediterranean-inspired patio can transport you to a serene oasis right in the comfort of your own backyard. This article will provide you with a collection of easy and inspiring ideas to transform your outdoor space into a Mediterranean paradise. From selecting the right furniture to incorporating vibrant colors and textures, these tips will help you create a patio that exudes relaxation and elegance. Selecting the perfect furniture. When it comes to furnishing your Mediterranean patio, choose pieces that are both functional and visually appealing. Opt for sturdy wrought iron or rattan furniture with comfortable cushions. Add a touch of elegance with mosaic or ceramic tabletops for your dining or coffee tables. Embrace vibrant colors. Mediterranean design is known for its vibrant color palette. Infuse your patio with bold hues such as turquoise, cobalt blue, and sunny yellow. Paint your walls or add colorful tiles to create a lively backdrop. Incorporate colorful throw pillows, rugs, and planters to add pops of color throughout the space. Mediterranean-inspired accessories. To enhance the Mediterranean feel, include accessories that reflect the region's rich culture. Hang decorative lanterns or string lights to create a cozy ambience. Incorporate terracotta pots, ceramic bowls, and mosaic wall art for an authentic Mediterranean touch. Don't forget to add lush green plants and fragrant herbs to complete the look. Create a relaxing lounge area. Design a comfortable lounge area where you can unwind and soak up the Mediterranean vibes. Place a cozy outdoor sofa or daybed adorned with plush cushions and throw blankets. Add a small coffee table for drinks and snacks, and create shade with an elegant umbrella or pergola. Enhance with water features. Water features are a staple in Mediterranean design, adding a sense of tranquility to any patio. Install a small fountain or a cascading waterfall to create a soothing atmosphere. The sound of running water will enhance the overall relaxation experience and transport you to the shores of the Mediterranean. Bringing the Mediterranean to your patio is easier than you think. By carefully selecting furniture, embracing vibrant colors, incorporating Mediterranean-inspired accessories, creating a relaxing lounge area, and enhancing with water features, you can transform your outdoor space into a Mediterranean paradise. Let your creativity flow and get inspired to design a patio that reflects the beauty and tranquility of the Mediterranean region. So, get started and enjoy the ultimate outdoor retreat right in your own backyard.